Doing dryer vent cleaning for the past 10 years, and I've gotten so many of these brushes stuck in the vent. And in this video, I'm going to show you the only way to get a stuck vent out of your dryer vent. This works 100% of the time, and you're only going to need something you probably already have, and that is going to be one of these. This is a wire hanger, or if you have another piece of wire. So what you're going to do is you're going to untwist it. Pretty easy to do. Be careful not to cut yourself. And now you could break a piece off. You're not going to need the biggest piece to do this. And what you're going to do is you are going to twist it into a corkscrew. So take your little piece and make a corkscrew out of the wire hanger. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like this one is not nearly perfect, but it is a corkscrew. And make sure that it's going to go in the correct direction of the drill. So the drill is going to be going to the right. So now it's corkscrewing on. So now what's going to happen is when the brush is stuck inside your vent, what you're going to do is you could do it by hand, or you could use your drill on a low setting. And what you're going to do is you're going to feed it in with your rods and extenders, because you probably have the rods, because that's how you got your brush stuck. And then now, as it goes and it corkscrews, what's going to happen is it's going to catch on like this. And even if you are going from above, a lot of times I was cleaning it from the roof, so I had to go against gravity. This corkscrew will hold. Either it'll hold onto the actual brush itself. So right now, this one is really solid onto the rod. So you can lift it up against gravity, or if it's stuck vertically, it'll pull it out. So all you need to do is make a corkscrew out of a wire hanger, and you will get your brush out of the vent.